What's up, Marvelous DJs? I ever tell you about a time I forgot to save my recorded mixes in Serato DJ? I've done this a lot, especially if I'm recording a live mix at an event. Don't worry, I got your back. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you find the recording file. Let's go. Cheat code. What up? It's DJ Mike Marvelous here, back with another Marvelous DJ cheat code. Today we're tackling a common issue that many DJs face, forgetting to save their recorded mix in Serato DJ. But don't panic, I'm going to show you how to find that recording file and get back to reviewing those mixes. Let's get started. First things first, open up Serato DJ on your computer and make sure you're using the same version you recorded your mix with. If you've updated your Serato DJ prior to going back in, I'm sorry, but the file might just be lost. But as long as you have the same version, you might be in good shape. Go to the recording crate in Serato DJ. This is where your recordings are usually saved by default. If you see your mix there, great. Just drag and drop it to your desired location. If you don't see your mix in the recording crate, don't worry. Let's check the default recording folder on your computer. Here's where you'll find it. In a Windows computer, you use C drive, user, username, music, _ Serato _ and recording. If you're using the Mac operating system, user, username, music _ Serato _ recording. Replace username with your actual username on your computer. Now, if you exited Serato DJ without saving your recording, it might be stored in the recording temp folder. Here's how you find that. For Windows computers, start with C drive. For Mac users, you don't need the C drive. Then you go users, username, music _ Serato _ recording temp. Again, replace your username with your actual username of your computer. Still can't find your mix? Try searching your computer for files with the .wav or .aif extension. I typically use .aif for when I'm recording my mixes in Serato. These are the formats Serato DJ uses for recordings. If all else fails, check if you have a backup of your Serato DJ library. This can be a lifesaver if you accidentally deleted or misplaced your recording. Still can't find it? Run it back. Use your History tab, click on Previous, and find the date of the event. There you'll find the complete playlist with all the tracks you played and in what order. If you really want to be exact, it even gives you the play time for each track. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to finding your lost recording files in Serato DJ. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more cheat codes. Keep spinning those tracks and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay marvelous, cheat code.